Hello friends, I'm doing good. Today I'll show you how to find iPhone. I mean, how to find my phone. When you lost your phone and how you can find where your phone. Alright. So you need to some option enable when you have phone. I mean iPhone, then you can enable some option, then you can get and find out your phone easily. So you can go to the first settings. After tap on the settings, then you see this type of UI. Then you can just tap on your name. All right. Now you can scroll down a little bit. Here in showing my find my. Then tap here. Currently my find option is enable. If no enable in your phone, then you can just enable again. And also you can enable send last location. Also you can enable the find my network. It will help you if you lost your phone. And also there is showing share my location is enabled right now. So that's it. And please like this video and hit the subscribe button and let me know if you have any query. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.